Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to remove your PayPal account. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, you want to go ahead and open up the official PayPal website if you're not already. So go to paypal.com if you're not, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here. So in the main page, we can get started logging in. In the upper right corner, you can get started signing up for a new account if you do not already have a PayPal account. And if you already have one, you can just log in. And after logging in, normally you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where we can take a look at our PayPal balance, we can take a look at our recent activity, we can send money, request money, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to remove our account. It's very easy, we only need a couple of clicks. Basically, what we're looking for is in the settings option. So right here at the top of the screen, we have the tabs with all the options we can access, such as home, send, wallet, and so on. And right here in the upper right corner, we have the settings option. So you want to click on your settings icon. By opening up your settings icon, it's going to open up your settings menu. You can take a look at your account settings, security options, and so on. What we want to open up is the data and privacy section. So open up data and privacy by clicking on it, and after you have opened it up, it's going to look like this. So what we can do now is go ahead and scroll down until you find this option right here that says delete accounts. As you can see, under manager data, there is an option that says delete your data. This is going to enable us to close our account and remove our account. And once we confirm this, guys, go ahead and proceed by entering your password, confirming you want to delete it. And once you're sure, you can go ahead and click I'm sure, and then this is going to delete your account. And basically that's how you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching. Take care and bye.